will the couple be in 10 years?
Living in Alaska.
Like Taylor, that's kind-hearted, loyal, and loving as Taylor is your life. Treat her with respect. Treat her like the queen she is.
Forever. And then just the last 2 pointers, I just want you to know, let her do her Excel spreadsheets in peace. God is here today. Don't tease her about that, and don't tease her about her knitting anymore or her shower caps, because they're a part of life. She needs those things.
Don't believe in chasing crazy dreams. My feet are planted firmly